the best print on demand tools online part 2. So in the first part of this video, we talked about Placeit and how Placeit is one of the best tools to use online for print on demand. So this is the part 2. So in this video, we are going to be talking about Canva. In this video, I'll be walking you through Canva and I'll be telling you what exactly makes it one of the best tools, one of the best print on demand tools to use online. Hello, my name is Harshit Chaudhary and welcome to e-commerce 101. If you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel for the latest and the greatest videos on e-commerce. So, Canva. What makes Canva one of the best tools online? Well, you can use Canva to create designs or logos or social media posts or thumbnails or ad creatives or whatever you like using their incredibly large and amazing library of templates. Well, let's begin. Let's dive into the screen and see for ourselves, right? So, first, talking about the pricing plans of Canva, it's actually very affordable, just like they say. Canva Pro just got more affordable. It is actually very affordable. It comes with a free trial of 30 days. You can try Canva Pro free for 30 days, which is like enough time for you to decide for yourself whether you need it or not. And even if you don't want to go for the pro plan, even the free plan is very good. It's very sufficient. You get a lot of features in free plan as well. You can go for that as well. Well, we use the pro plan, and pro plan is more than enough for you. It almost gives you access to everything, all their template libraries, all their pro images and everything. It gives you access to almost everything. And if you bill monthly, it's just 500 rupees per month. And if you bill yearly, you save around 2000 rupees. So that's about the pricing plans. Let's talk about how exactly you can use Canva, and let's have a look at it. So this is basically the home page of Canva. All right, we have a pro lifetime premium version of it, and here you'll come across all the things. They'll suggest you different templates, like if you want to create a classroom poster or a worksheet or anything, things like that. It shows your recent designs over here. Like you can see, we create our YouTube thumbnails using Canva. It's so easy, just a built-in template. You need to edit a few things and you are ready to go. It's incredibly easy to use. You can create presentations, social media posts. They have templates for everything and all the dimensions. Like if you want to create an Instagram story, you need a dimension of 1080 into 1920. Otherwise, your top of the photo would cut out or your bottom of the photo would cut out. That would happen because they have built-in dimensions according to everything, according to the type of content you want to create using Canva. All right, you can even create videos using Canva. You can create YouTube videos, Facebook ad videos, slideshow videos, reels videos, almost anything you can create. Canva is very useful. Like if you look at a template library, they are not just limited to print on demand. You can create so many things using Canva. You can create LinkedIn banners, YouTube channel ads, YouTube thumbnails. You can use it for personal use as well, like for creating invitations, birthday invitations, resumes, postcards, cards. You can use it for your business purposes. You can use it to create almost anything. It's incredibly easy to use. So well, let's dive into its workspace a bit and let's see. So let's start off by trying to create a, let's say, a logo. So you just click on logo and it automatically automatically gives it the dimension 500 into 500, which is the recommended dimension for logo. So all right, so like I clicked on logo. So this is a 500 into 500 workspace. Now you can see these are all built-in templates. You can just type in your name and change a few elements if you like, and you're ready to use it. Like say, let's if I want to create a logo for print on demand. All right, so like I'll just write here print on demand. Okay, that's not gonna work. Let's say we have a clothing brand, right? So type in clothing. All right, now there you go, so many logos. All you need to I really like this one right here. You just click on it, it comes up here. Just need to change a couple of things, change the name if you want to change. Let's say I want to name it wardrobe. You can increase the space it takes so it fits in one line, reduce the size a bit. If you, it's very easy to operate as well. You don't need any designing skills as such to create logos and anything. All right, it's incredibly easy. It's like very easy to use. You can flip these elements horizontally or vertically or whatever you like. You can select multiple elements at once. All these things, I'm not sure I'll be able to go over all these features in the video. All right, but if you just decide to use Canva and if you just surf it for even an hour or so, you'll come across everything you need to know. Like it shows you the alignment. Like this is the middle of the page, so it helps you align it as well. All right. So these are all the templates that you can use. You can search for templates and it'll come up. You can create multiple at one time and then decide what you want to use at the last. See, there are different colors as well for some templates out there. So this is very easy to use. So apart from the templates, this is a very amazing feature of Canva. They have so many elements already there. All right, like like say if I want to change the icon of this hanger. All right, so if I type in hanger over here, so there you go. All these hangers come up. Now I can use any one of these hangers apart from this. I can just delete this one right here. Let's say I want to use this. So I'll just put this in right here. Alright. And then right. Now I can reduce the size of it. I can flip it just like it was. Alright. I can rotate it to 90 degrees. That's right. Wardrobe, collection. There you go. It's incredibly easy to use. You know everything about it. You can even group this element so that you don't mess it up. So now these all will move together. Alright, so these are some features. They have incredibly so many elements and images you have. They have photos for hangers. They have graphics for hangers. Alright, they have videos for hangers as well. They have a lot of content available. Lot of content available. You can do almost anything using Canva. Talking about uploads here, you can upload your own images and videos if you want to use anything. It's very easy. You can just click on upload media and upload whatever you want to upload. All right, it just comes up here and you can use anything along with it. Like let's say if I want to use this tree, I can just put it in over here like this or anything. All right, so it's very easy. You can upload images, you can upload videos, you can do anything using Canva. We use it almost every day. We use Canva almost every day. All right, if you look at this photos, all right, so they have a lot of all these photos. Like these, you don't have to worry about their commercial usability. These are all common creators. You can use them in your designs. You can use them to earn profits for yourself. You can use them anywhere you like. There are no limitations to their users. All right, and they have an incredibly large library, very large library of photos. All right, you can search for any photo over here. Like if you want to search for a photo of a shirt, it'll all come up. It's very easy to use and it has a lot to offer. A lot. Like seriously a lot. Talk about the text, they have a font combinations, built-in font combinations that you can use. Alright. Just need to surf around Canva a bit and you'll come across everything you need to know. Yeah, so these are all the font combinations that you can use. All right, and further on, you can apply effects to your font, like you can keep it hollow or slice it or shadow or lift it a bit or anything. All right, you can change the font of the text. All right, like they have a lot of fonts, so many fonts to for you to choose from. Alright, some of them are free, some of them come with the pro version. Okay, and you can animate it. It's useful if you're creating a video or anything, and all these are the features that are available in a typical MS Word. there also. Here you can change the transparency of the text as well. All right, so that's that. You can, there are a lot of audios they have to offer. If you're creating a video, you want a background music, you can choose from these audios. There are short clips available here as well. You can use in middle of your videos or in the intro or outros, or you can use these videos as animations on your websites. And a lot of backgrounds, if you're creating banners or something, there are a lot of backgrounds you can choose from. All right, then you can also discover content from different their partner sites like from Pexels and Pixabay and Pixton. These are free. They provide free stock images. All these websites, these are free to use. You can use them anywhere in your website or on designs or anything. You can create QR code using Canva. There's a lot you can do using Canva. Another very useful feature I'd like to talk to you about is, let's say if I wanna remove the background from this image. All right, so even I can do even that using Canva. I just click on background remover here, and it'll remove the white background it has behind it. This is a very very useful feature. All right, especially when you're creating designs or mock-ups or something like that. There you go, the design, the background is removed. All right, another very useful thing is that they if you type frame in elements, there are a lot of photo frames that you can use. Like say if I want to use my t-shirt inside this frame, I can just put it inside the frame and it takes the shape of that frame. It's not evident right now because the background of the image is removed. All right, so that's another very useful feature of Canva. Okay, now let's say if you're done creating it. All right, let's say I want to download this, so you can just simply click on share. You can download it. Now you can download it with a transparent background or without a transparent background, and you can choose the file type in which you want to download it. You can create GIFs as well if you want. If you create a short clip, and you can convert it into a GIF just by downloading it as a GIF. So that's very very useful. All right, so that's about Canva, pretty much everything, I hope. All right, so that's pretty much everything about Canva. If I missed out on something, let me know and I'll be more than happy to help you out in the comment section below. Alright, so like if you surf along, if you discover Canva for even a couple of hours, you'll come to know about it yourself. It's very easy to use, it's laid out very easy, its user interaction is very simple and it's very easy to use. All right, like we almost use it every day. What we generally use Canva for is to create ad creatives for our Facebook ads, editing mockups to use on our store websites, creating content for our websites like short videos or clips and GIFs and everything, for creating store banners and logos, also for creating YouTube thumbnails, the one you saw just before you click this video. What makes Canva the best designing tool online, one of the best designing tool online is its easy to use feature. That's the main thing. It's so easy to use, and also the large amount of templates they have for anything you want to design, from a social media post to a logo to a t-shirt design. They have templates for everything, and you can just personalize those templates according to yourself, according to your use. So that's what makes it so amazing. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, do not forget to press the like button and let me know in the comment section below how much you like this video and if you have any other doubts regarding using Canva. Also, if you want, you can schedule a free call with either of us and we'll be more than happy to share with you how exactly you can start your own 5-figure print on demand or document store. The link is in the description. Alright, so with that being said, have an amazing day and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.